Hi there, I'm Elizabeth and I like to sew smart. I've got a handy hint for you today. It's a bag handle grip. All you will need two 8.5 by 6.5 pieces of fabric. I use scrap fabric, and a piece of wadding that is the same size, plus 2 small pieces of Velcro to fasten. This is the finished one, which I will show you how to use after. It just folds over like that with a Velcro grip. So you need, first of all, you will need your 2 pieces of fabric, right sides together, pull that thread off there, and underneath your piece of wadding. So right sides together with your fabric, wadding underneath, and what you're going to do is you're going to leave a little gap to turn. So we'll leave a little gap there and there, and we're going to stitch a generous 1/4 inch all the way round, gap to gap. So I've stitched from gap to gap all the way round. I'm going to just clip my corners off because that gives a neater, squarer corner. And then I'm going to turn my work to the right side all the way around, pushing out the corners. I'm actually going to use the tip of my scissors. Push the corners out nicely so they're nice and square. The other 2 as well. Push them out. This makes it easier when you're top sewing. And I'm going to turn in on the 1/4 inch, turn in there and press it, and then I'm going to top stitch another 1/4 inch all the way around. So I've stitched all the way around, closing the gap, catching it in. Take my piece of Velcro. 1 piece will be stitched on this side, about 1/4 inch from that stitch line. It's a bit tough to pin on. And on the other side, we'll put the remaining piece again in the same place. Pin that on. I'm going to stitch both those on, that one and that one, and then we're finished on that piece. So I've stitched all the way around, put the Velcro on. All that remains for me to do now is to slip it into the handles on my bag. When I've gone to the supermarket, forgotten to take my cloth bag with the comfy handles, put it in there. There you have it. Won't cut your fingers, you're well padded. Well padded. And this also, if you do want to put a spare plastic bag in your handbag, which doesn't take up very much space, then if you seal one of these up, make it into the little tube, you can always put an extra plastic bag inside and ready to take out at the supermarket.